Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the screen refresh rate on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. In order to do this, we need to open the settings. In the settings, you want to go to display, and now over here you should be able to find motion smoothness. If you go there, you should be able to find two options, adaptive and standard. You can choose adaptive in order to use up to 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. Of course, if you set it to standard, then you will be pretty much stuck with 60 Hz instead, so it's up to you. Of course, you can get a longer battery life if you use standard, if you limit yourself to 60. However, if you wish to have the smoothest experience possible, you definitely want to use adaptive. Of course, if there are some circumstances like the tablet is heat up or there are some performance issues, then of course in that case the refresh rate can drop down to 60 even if you have adaptive mode enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.